Sena camp, we have Sanjay Raut openly blaming the former Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, for the poll debacle. He says that it is all because of D.Y. Chandrachud that the MVA lost the Maharashtra elections, and he says that history will not forgive the CJI. Open bickering and blame game has continued to shroud the Mahavikas Aghadi. Embarrassed, humiliated at the numbers that they secured in Maharashtra are now the only last resort that the MVA has is blaming each other, putting the blame on somebody else for their own poll debacle. And that's exactly what's being seen. Let's now listen into what Sanjay Raut said about the former CJI D.Y. Chandrachud.
महाराष्ट्र का जो चुनाव और जो नतीजा आए वो बहुत ही चौंकाने वाले नहीं, बहुत ही शॉकिंग है। ऐसे नतीजे आने की उम्मीद किसी को नहीं, कोई लहर नहीं थी किसी की। नरेंद्र मोदी और अमित शाह को महाराष्ट्र क्यों वोट देगा? पूरा कैंपेन उनके खिलाफ चला, इसलिए कि महाराष्ट्र लूटने का पूरा एक कारस्तान यहाँ हो गया। यहाँ से पूरे उद्योग गुजरात में लेके हुए, इसलिए वोट दिया लोगों ने कि हमारा रोजगार गुजरात में मोदी जी लेके जा रहे हैं, चलो हम मोदी जी को वोट दे देंगे, इसलिए खुश है। महाराष्ट्र में किसानों की आत्महत्या चल रही है, महाराष्ट्र में बेईमानी हो गई। ये जो नतीजे आए हैं उसके लिए जिम्मेदार अगर कोई होगा, महाराष्ट्र की जो नुकसान हुआ है वो जस्टिस चंद्रचूड़ है। चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया के पद पर बैठे व्यक्ति जिसने समय पर अपना निर्णय नहीं दिया, अपनी जजमेंट नहीं दी डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन के बारे में। 40 लोगों ने बेईमानी की। जिस पार्टी से चुनकर आए थे वो पार्टी को छोड़कर दूसरे पार्टी में जाकर सत्ता में बैठे हैं। आपकी जिम्मेदारी है संविधान की रक्षा। आपने अगर निर्णय दिया होता तो ये हिम्मत आगे कोई नहीं करता। अपने वो आज भी वो खिड़की दरवाजे खुले रखकर आप वहां से रिटायर हो गए। आप कोई भी किसी तरह से पार्टी बदल सकता है या सरकार बना सकता है दूसरी पार्टी, अपनी पार्टी को छोड़कर, तो इतिहास चंद्रचूड़ साहब को कभी माफ नहीं करेगा।
Well, this clearly exposes the desperation of the Mahavikas Aghadi. In fact, earlier we told you how the Congress party continues to blame Uddhav Sena, saying that it was Uddhav Thackeray's leaders that snatched away some of the crucial seats, some of the important Congress bastions. In fact, Shravan Sen is also back with us. Shravan, in the aftermath of the humiliating poll debacle, we have MVA openly blaming each other. We have Congress blaming Uddhav Sena, and then we have Sanjay Raut going on to blame CJI, former CJI Chandrachud.
Well, this comes from an alliance which is going to now struggle to even throw up a leader of the opposition. That's the state of the Mahavikas Aghadi. So much so, all the three parties put together haven't even been able to cross the mark, and they are falling short of even what the numbers that Eknath Shinde and his party has got, the real Shiva Sena has actually got. So that's where the Mahavikas Aghadi really stands today. And some bizarre remarks have been made from the start, saying that they cannot believe that this can actually happen in Maharashtra. Second, they talk about the EVM. They do not have a problem with Jharkhand, but they certainly have a problem with the EVMs in Maharashtra. And the third is heaping insult on the people of Maharashtra, where they say that this is a verdict for Gautam Adani. That's the kind of response that has come in. In fact, the BJP today, remember, says that if at all one of the primary reasons why the Mahavikas Aghadi has lost is because of Sanjay Raut and the kind of bizarre remarks that he has made over the last several months. Just to quote one of the BJP leaders who says that starting from 9 o'clock in the morning from Bhandup, that's the place where he lives, that's in suburban Mumbai. He starts at 9 o'clock till about the time that he reaches the Sabna office. The only job that he has been given is to insult the people of Maharashtra. That's to quote one of the BJP leaders. That's where they really stand today. And perhaps they're going to find it even more difficult when they do not have a voice in the Maharashtra Assembly.